Welcome back, DIY enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself struggling with stubborn fuel lines while working on your car or truck? Well, today's your lucky day. We're diving into the incredible world of fuel line disconnect tools, your new best friend for hassle-free auto repairs. In this video, we'll explore how this simple yet essential tool can save you time, money, and frustration. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, you won't want to miss these tips and tricks. So, grab your gear, and let's get rolling. Don't forget to check the link in the description for exclusive discounts. Number 5. PLATATO Disconnect Pliers Set. This versatile two-piece tool set is meticulously designed for efficiently disconnecting fuel and EVAP lines, making it ideal for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring offset jaws with 40 and 85-degree bends, these 7.28-inch pliers effortlessly access tight spaces, allowing you to release connector tabs without fuss. Crafted from heat-treated carbon steel, they boast superior durability and rust resistance, ensuring they withstand the test of time. The ergonomic handles made from PP and TPR material provide a comfortable grip that minimizes hand fatigue during prolonged use. With spring-loaded action, these pliers are not only easy to operate but will also make quick work of stubborn connectors. Adding the PLATATO Disconnect Pliers to your toolbox is a smart choice for anyone looking to simplify fuel line disconnections and make vehicle repairs faster and more efficient. Don't miss out on this essential fuel line disconnect tool. Number 4. AABBA Scissor Fuel Line Disconnect Tool, your go-to solution for hassle-free fuel, heater, and AC line servicing. Crafted from durable metal, this tool promises strength and longevity, making it a reliable choice for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. With its ergonomic design, you can enjoy maximum grip and torque while you work. Designed specifically for 5/16 and 3/8 fuel lines, this tool is compatible with GM vehicles from 1989 and newer, Ford from 1990 and newer, and select Mazda models. Say goodbye to the struggles of fuel filter replacements. The quick disconnect coupler features a locking mechanism, but with the AABBA tool, you can easily release it with a satisfying click, allowing for seamless disconnection. Plus, with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can trust that customer support is just a contact away for any troubleshooting or replacement needs. Get your AABBA fuel line disconnect tool today and experience effortless maintenance. Number 3. Jetech 3 PCS Fuel Line Disconnect Tool Set. This versatile toolkit is designed to make disconnecting fuel and AC lines a breeze. With its dual functionality, you can quickly and easily disconnect quick connect couplings and fittings on a wide range of vehicles, including those challenging push-lock connectors on radiators and transmission lines. The set includes specialized tools fitted for 5/16-inch and 3/8-inch lines, while also accommodating sizes like 3/4 inch, 5/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. Crafted from high-quality chrome-plated zinc alloy steel, these tools ensure durability and strength, providing you with reliable performance every time. The easy grip handles deliver greater torque, making your job much more comfortable and efficient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the Jetech Fuel Line Disconnect Tool Set is your go-to solution for seamless fuel line disconnection. Elevate your garage toolkit today. Number 2. Danti 13260 Fuel Line Disconnect Tool Set. This premium tool set is expertly crafted to work flawlessly with low-pressure fuel line connectors of the Voss type, ensuring a perfect fit for your engine and chassis. It includes both straight and bent wrenches, providing versatility to tackle any job with ease. Constructed from high-quality steel, these tools offer exceptional durability, wear, and corrosion resistance, making them a reliable addition to your toolkit. The heat shrink on the wrench end ensures a comfortable grip and protects your hands from potential damage during use. With a compact design measuring 250 inches in thickness, this set includes one straight and one bent tool, perfect for servicing every aspect of your Cummins engines. Upgrade your workshop with the Danti 13260 tool set and experience effortless fuel line disconnection. Number 1. Lisle 37300 Fuel and AC Disconnect Pliers, your ultimate companion for tackling those tricky fuel line and air conditioning connections. Designed to work seamlessly with 5/16 inches, 3/8 inches, or 1/2 inches adapters from the Lisle 37,000 or 39,400 disconnect tool sets. These pliers offer versatility like no other. The unique design provides added leverage, making the disconnection of quick connect couplings a breeze, even in tough-to-reach spots. But it doesn't stop there. Whether you're encountering stubborn lines or reconnecting tricky connections, the Lisle 37,300 pliers are engineered to handle it all. Perfect for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic, this tool is a must-have for anyone dealing with fuel line disconnects. Get ready to elevate your automotive repairs. In conclusion, using a fuel line disconnect tool can greatly simplify your vehicle maintenance tasks, making the process quicker and less messy. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this tool is an essential addition to your toolkit. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and share it with your friends.